heart of the Forgotten Realms lies the grand city of Waterdeep. We stand as proud members of the Harpers, guardians of justice sworn to oppose dark forces. Within your Harpers group, 4 classes stand ready for action. Rogues, who strike from the shadows. Clerics, who wield divine flames. Fighters, who excel in battle strategy. And wizards, who are book-smart spellcasters. Our journey begins at the Curious Past, a shop filled with artifacts and mystery.
Your journey begins now. Step forward, adventurers. Waterdeep is counting on you.
You are late. And here I am, Lana Star Shadow, for to hasten my own good. We don't have much time. Now where did I hide those questy tales? I wouldn't worry about that. I mean, she is gorgeous, but anyways. Only the very skilled can awaken the magic ball. Come, wizard. Here, quickly. Stick your hand towards it and check if it answers. It appears you are quite skilled. Illusion. Xanathar, the evil crime lord, seeks once again to destroy the city of Waterdeep, this time with the dragon staff of Aderon. He has aligned himself with the powerful red dragon, Seagon, to remove the dragon-ward barrier that prevents dragons from entering Waterdeep. You, along with Rockery and Evelina, the leaders of your local harbors, must find the dragon staff and steal it back from him. They will be along shortly. Well now, I suppose that's all you need to know. Away magic. Now, your mission is clear. Find your harbor leaders, take back the dragon staff, and save Waterdeep! Huzzah! Well, quite the quiet bunch. And right on time. Rockery and Evelina.
Who's ready for adventure on the distant wall? I say rock, you say read. Rock, read! Rock, read!
Hey, let me see. You're on God's stairs. I'm going to ask for your assistance. Be ready. My rogues, where are you? Come in, come in. Closer, closer. Everyone, closer in, closer in. I need my rogues. Where are my rogues? These are my rogues. You guys will be helping me solve any puzzles, yes? Fantastic. Everyone, if you see the rod of absorption, let us know.
Yes?
Yes?
Any luck finding the rod of absorption?
I don't see it anywhere, Rockery.
Without the rod, you can't depower the dragon staff. Of course you stole Dipto's tracker.
What? He threw it out. That is juice that can wake the dead.
Ooh, wait, but that juice sounds delicious. Listen up, Harpers. Our bad guy on this poster, Xanathar, is a very vain and insecure diva.
Sounds familiar.
When we find him, we may need your help insulting him with a vicious mockery spell. Watch.
I need something to pry this open.
The master is at work. You, Xanathar, are a terrible, ugly, one-eyed fish father.
Sneaky treasure hunter. You're fishing.
What's your mean look? Oh, very powerful.
Found it.
Mortals, the dragon ward no longer protects your city.
Everybody okay? Everybody okay?
Waterdeep will burn, and all of your treasure will now be mine.
My favorite. Clerics, find us in roads and go. Besides, got the right infos.
My fighters and rogues come with me. Where do you live? Going with rogues. Yes? All right, friends. Be careful. We're going into the underground. My fighters, be ready with those stands when I need them. If you see any gigantic spiders, let me know. If you see any shadow beasts, let me know. See any gargoyles? You got it.
Getting a little heated in here. Edie, you didn't keep that stick, did you?
I think it's the wand of lightning bolts.
You don't get to keep that as well. You're always stealing things.
No, I think it's a puzzle that if we solve it, doors may open somewhere, and we can get out from underground. Unless you have a better plan.
Of course I have a better plan. Clerics, how about some dancing light? Bardic inspiration! Well done. Edie, look. Useless trinkets. Try not to take them.
Oh, grow up, Roderick. Wait, the doors! I think that Xanthar's lair is nearby. Yes.
Fighters,
Help me.
keep a lookout for any scary monsters.
Any creature.
Edie, look out! Behind you!
On guard! Oh, monster!
I'm in no mood for any mimic surprises.
Fire on guard!
It's time for the Thunder
I knew it! It is a puzzle! My ropes and everyone, call the colors you see!
This one's clear.
Green?
This one's clear. I'm colorblind. Why am I doing this?
Somebody help him!
What color is that? White. Also white. Looks like green. There's lots of this. 1, 2, 3.
It worked!
Did it work?
All right, my friends.
Through the door.
Here we
Yes.
go. Stealthily, quietly, do not awake Xanthar. We're here for the dragon staff. Focus. Come on, my friends. With the crowns, you guys are helping me. I don't know where to find them. God, wake up, Xanthar. See anywhere, the dragon staff. Whoa, this is why you guys are here. Well done. Right, do not wake up anyone.
Warmer. Colder. I'm hot. Thank you. Yes. Very important draw. Nothing fine. Yeah, which one first? You found it first. They found it first. It's all Edie, don't touch his fish. Look out! Dinosaur behind you!
Xanathar is the rightful owner of the dragon staff. But don't worry, I'll make sure your deaths are quick. You think you can steal from Xanathar and live to tell the tale? It's time to get deep into the permanent chaos.
All right, clerics and wizards, vicious mockery spell, insult
Silga, I'll protect you.
No, I got it.
Roll tonight! Portal tonight! This is the tallest I've ever been! Evie, wake up!
I'm not asleep.
How many fingers?
Guys,
Here's the wake the dead juice. Time to wake up the dead!
oh, spicy. Did we do it?
Yes. Got the dragon staff. Your wand is right there.
Is everybody okay?
Foolish throwery and Evelina! Did you really think you did this yourselves?
Yes!
It was I, Lovely Star Shadow!
This thing is alive.
Well, then don't
Nothing
look at
can
me.
stop me now! Welcome to the cult of the dragon!
Hey, Lottie, the wand of light opens your mouth.
Wow! Mission accomplished! New friends! Evie has friends. I'm speechless.
Speechless. When?
Never! Alright, we've got the dragon staff, we've got the wand. Fellow Harpers, you head out to the First Roll Tavern, and we'll see you next time, Harper friends.